Everyone keeps asking the same question right now. What camera is finally going to challenge DJI's dominance in the pocket creator space? And surprisingly, the answer might not come from a brand new startup trying to make headlines. It could come from Insta360, a company that has quietly spent years building toward this exact moment. The Insta360 Luna Ultra is now officially confirmed, and based on the specs already revealed, this is clearly not another safe, incremental upgrade. Insta360 looks like it studied every frustration creators have had with compact pocket cameras and designed the Luna Ultra to solve those problems one by one. Today, we're breaking down everything confirmed so far about the Insta360 Luna Ultra, the full feature lineup, what actually matters for content creators, and the one feature that could completely change how solo filming works. And honestly, the most interesting part of this camera is not even the resolution or the zoom. It's the display system. The Luna Ultra comes with a detachable touchscreen display, but once you remove it from the camera body, it doesn't just turn into a useless accessory sitting in your pocket. The display becomes a fully functional wireless controller for the camera and the gimbal system itself. That completely changes how this camera can be used. You can mount the Luna Ultra somewhere difficult to reach, hold the display remotely in your hand, and now you're controlling framing, movement, and shooting without physically touching the camera. For solo creators, vloggers, travel shooters, and filmmakers working alone, this is a huge deal. No constantly running back to check framing. No awkward timer shots. No guessing whether the subject is still centered. The screen separates the operator from the camera, and that opens up creative setups that usually require another person behind the camera. The camera system itself is also getting a lot of attention. The Luna Ultra uses a dual camera setup featuring a primary sensor alongside a dedicated telephoto module built around a surprisingly large 1/1.3-inch sensor. That's unusually big for a telephoto camera in something this compact. The lens system is expected to cover an equivalent focal range, starting around 70 mm and extending to roughly 120 mm, depending on the final production tuning. More importantly, this telephoto setup creates real natural background separation. Footage immediately starts looking more cinematic before you even touch editing or color grading. Zoom capabilities are also aggressive for a pocket-sized stabilized camera. Optical zoom reaches 3.9x, lossless zoom extends to 6x, and hybrid zoom stretches all the way to 12x. The 6x lossless zoom is probably the sweet spot here because it gives creators meaningful reach without sacrificing image quality. That makes it useful for travel videos, street photography, live events, sports, wildlife, and situations where getting physically closer just is not possible. Now let's talk about the spec that sounds almost unreal for a compact creator camera. The Luna Ultra is reportedly capable of shooting 4K video at up to 240 frames per second. That is extremely unusual for a stabilized pocket camera. Most cameras this size either stop well before 240 frames per second or struggle with overheating, rolling shutter distortion, or unstable footage once you push frame rates that high. But if Insta360 actually delivers clean 4K, 240 frames per second recording while combining its 3-axis mechanical gimbal with flow-state electronic stabilization, this thing could produce incredibly smooth slow-motion footage that looks like it came from a much larger professional setup. Audio also seems to be a major focus this time around. The Luna Ultra is designed with native Insta360 Mic Pro integration built directly into the system. That means creators can skip the messy adapters, dangling receivers, and complicated setups that usually come with wireless microphones. Insta360 is also adding a triple microphone array, AI-powered noise reduction, and internal backup audio recording for extra safety during shoots. It's clearly aimed at creators who move quickly and want professional audio without carrying a bag full of extra gear. On the software side, Insta360 is leaning heavily into AI-powered shooting tools. Confirmed features include deep track subject tracking, dolly zoom effects, motion time-lapse, and bullet time modes. The reason these features matter more on an Insta360 device is because the company already has a strong reputation for computational video tools that actually work well in real-world shooting situations. These are not just gimmicks added to a spec sheet. Insta360 has years of experience refining this software ecosystem. As for release timing, the Luna Ultra is expected to launch sometime between late 2025 and early 2026, with pricing likely positioned in the premium compact camera category. And the timing feels intentional. DJI's availability issues in certain regions have created an opening in the market, and Insta360 clearly sees an opportunity to step directly into that space. Of course, there are still unanswered questions. Real-world testing will ultimately decide whether this camera truly delivers. Low-light quality, autofocus reliability, battery endurance, and telephoto stabilization at maximum zoom are still unknowns that demos and spec sheets cannot fully answer. But one thing already feels clear. The Luna Ultra is not arriving quietly. Insta360 is aiming directly at DJI's pocket camera lineup, and this launch could make the compact creator camera market a lot more competitive going into 2026. So now the big question becomes this. What feature are you most excited about, and what feature are you still skeptical of? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe because the moment hands-on footage and real-world tests go live, we're covering all of it.